Unlock the fun, the 0.5 effect on TikTok. If you've spent any time on TikTok, you've probably seen the viral trend where users are posting videos using the 0.5 effect. This cool wide-angle lens look makes everything appear exaggerated or distorted, adding a fun twist to your videos. So, how can you create the 0.5 effect for your own TikTok posts? Let's dive in. What is the 0.5 effect? The 0.5 effect refers to using the 0.5x zoom, or ultra-wide lens, on your smartphone camera. This allows for a wider field of view, making subjects look farther away and distorting images slightly. It's perfect for showcasing stunning scenery, fitting more people into the frame, or just giving your videos a quirky style. The playful element of this effect has made it a favorite among TikTokers, whether they're showcasing outfits or capturing hilarious selfies. How to get the 0.5 effect? To create this effect, you'll first want to open your camera app and locate the ultra-wide lens. Most newer smartphones will have a 0.5x option. Once you've switched to 0.5x mode, you'll notice the broader field of view. Now, you can record your video. Whether you're taking fun selfies or illustrating a large space, let your creativity shine. After recording, it's time to share. Simply open the TikTok app, tap the plus button, and upload your newly created video. Now that you know how to get the 0.5 effect, it's your turn to create unique and engaging content that stands out on TikTok. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.